going.
This be Marty.
Hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel, and I'm going to be showing you guys how the struggle actually because this is not how to, because I don't even know how to, but this is going to be a video on the struggle of my first time ever fixing a contact lens. Well, of course, this baby here.
So we're going to be using the Freshlook color blend contact lenses. It's very affordable. When you open it, this is what it looks like. It comes in with this contact lens cases, comes with this boxes, comes with tweezers and an applicator. It also comes with an eye drop, or eye disinfectant, like I said earlier, solution for cleaning the contact lens. So you pour the solution into the case. I have a full video on this. It will be linked somewhere in this video, and apply the contact lens on the application, and let us dive right into the video.
Guys, I'm really scared. I'm really scared. Oh, yeah. I'm so worried. Guys, I've never been this worried in my entire life. Oh my God. Please do not forget to like, subscribe to my channel. I don't know what I'm doing. What just happened? Oh, thank God, I'm not yet blind. Oh my God. Jesus. Oh, what pain. Who came up with this? Ah. I also want to be a fine girl. Oh my God. Ooh. Yeah! Where did it go? We go again. I don't feel like I'm going to go blind. I'm so worried. I'm so worried, guys. I'm really so worried about this. I don't know whether to use my mirror instead, because I'm so worried. I need to see what I'm doing. Oh shit. Guys, this is not easy. Guys, please let me use my mirror, because I need to see what I'm doing. Okay, some people say maybe look up. Let's try to look up.
One eternity later.
You know what, guys? Let me pop out my lashes. Let's go again. Maybe make sure it's filled with water. I'm not so sure. My mirror again. I don't know what I'm doing. And I'm just noticing that my eye is so small. Guys, I've spoiled my makeup. We go again this time. Why do they keep bending? Oh my God, I don't know if I'm... Yeah! Oh. Guys, I might just quit this video and go and come back when I have the balls. Come on, Vimati. You can do this. All I want to be is a fine girl. You know what? Let me try using my hands. Oh my God, it's even harder. I don't know, it keeps turning upside down. I know if I'm able to pop the first one, I'll be able to do the second one. So guys, I think I'm gonna have to stop this because I'm not even okay. What about I bring this one down and just place it in like that? It's not still doing. Why don't you want to just go in? Oh my god. Oh my god, this is just so crazy. I just can't. Wow. Wow. Let's try the tweezers again. I'm even so scared of just the water. Well, this is just not for me. How does anybody even do this? Not again! Do not give up. And I have amala that I want to eat too. You know what? I think my earrings are the one not allowing them enter. I command you to get into my eye and do not make me blind. I think we're doing it. It has actually touched my eye and I don't even feel any pain. So I know this, I can do this. It's just hard to actually put it in right now. That's just the problem. I'm not scared of it again. I was scared that maybe it will hurt or something. But I've been touching my eye. It doesn't really hurt. I'm just worried. Maybe if I stay and not blink, it will actually finally enter. Guys, my makeup is gone. You know what? Maybe let's try the left eye. Maybe this will be better. My eye beginning to get red, I know. Maybe I need to watch more videos. I'm so sad. I cannot do this. Just go in. I said it earlier, I'm not going to give up. I'm just trying to force it in, y'all. Like just so it can go in. I'll be the only girl on the planet that cannot use a contact lens. I thought it was gonna be easy. Apparently, it's not. It might be easy for you though. How hard can this be, God? My eyes is spitting it out. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's finally in. Oh my god. It's in. I feel like crying. Oh my god. It just feels like you have a little bit cobwebs in your eye. Mama, I made it! Finally. Does it hurt? I don't even know. Oh my god. Ah. Finally. Oh. Let's try to pop the other one on. Now I'm not scared of it like that anymore because I finally got the hang of it. If you don't give up, you're gonna have what you want. I almost did this.
No wonder you did not come. You were so busy. Are you recording? Are you recording?
I'm so free.
Are you recording? Are you recording?
Yeah, this is so terrible to do. It's hard. It's finally here. You know, I was saying it in this video that I hope you come and see me. Like, see me struggling. And now, we cannot get the second one in. I don't even know how I'm going to move this one. You look like you're pitying me.
All the best.
I've not eaten my amala.
All the best.
Where are you going to? The problem is I don't even know what I'm doing. I see people say they get used to it, like even after like 10 times of fixing it. It's not, and my eyes are really small.
Don't blink. Just put it inside once. You did not get it, oh, bring it out.
But it has almost entered now.
You blinked.
No, you have to blink for it to go into place.
Yeah, but it has not entered now.
It must enter first before you blink.
Hold your eyes for you.
Are you going to be holding my eyes for me as time goes on?
Wait now.
Be down.
Blinking.
You do not hold it down.
Put it in the down. Push it in.
It's not as easy as you think. It's not as easy as you think. Serious. Will you try popping this in your eye? So we should buy one for you, Zaddy.
But yeah.
So that you be like Christian Grey. Okay. And I'm feeling myself with it. Maybe I should just be using one eye and go. And baffle on that this thing is not for me.
One eternity later.
That's finally entered, but I think this one, because I've been trying to put it since. It looked like it's bent or something. It doesn't really feel so comfortable anymore because it took me like forever to get this in. Forever and ever. I don't know how I'm gonna get this out, and I definitely look very messy right now, but feels like cobweb. This one is more comfortable than this one. I don't know. So guys, I finally got them in, and my final review is that don't be scared of it. It didn't get in so fast with me because I was so scared of it. So maybe do not be scared of it and you'll be able to get the hang of it. So that's it. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Just subscribe, guys. And let me go and think of how I'm going to pop this out. Finally, guys.